Hey yo, I been con, Bentley tints on, Fendi prints on. I mean I been storm, X-Men been form. He keep on dialing Nikki like the prince on. I been con, Bentley tints on.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Carol the Diva. Today I'm gonna be doing some two-strand twist in my hair. It has been highly requested by some of you guys after I posted a picture on my Instagram wearing it. I mentioned in my last video that I will show you guys what I've been using on my edges for them to grow back in. So if you guys are interested, keep watching and you'll see exactly what I'm using. I have been using the product for a few weeks and I've seen a big result in my edges, so I just thought that I'll share it with you guys. Before doing my twist, I'm going to part this section off just like I would when I'm doing my box braids. This is optional, but sometimes sectioning your hair makes it easier to manage. I must note that for this hairstyle, this is the only time I will be using a comb in my hair. So if you're trying to grow your hair back or just want to add some length to your hair, doing twists like this will definitely help, and avoiding using comb in your hair also is definitely a plus. Now that I got my section out just the way I want it, I'm gonna hold it away with a clip and move on to doing the back. For my twist, I will be using this extra dark Jamaican black castor oil. For some reason, I like it better than the other one. Don't ask me why, I just do. I'm also gonna be using the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. And since this is about to finish, I will be using this DNA hair butter. I got this from someone, so I don't really know much about it, but I will try to find a link for it and link it in the description box. So this is how I twist my hair without using a comb. I use my fingers to take little section out, and that's it. I have been doing it this way for a very long time, and I found that doing it this way is much easier and it works better for me. I then picked up some of the cream and moisturized my hair with it until I felt like every single strand of hair got some. Sometimes I end up having to dip my finger in it more than once just to get enough on it. I pour some of the black castor oil in something so it will be much easier for me to get to it. Then I dip my finger in it and moisturize my hair with it just like I did with the cream. After I get my hair moisturized well enough with these two products, I split my hair in two and then I start my twist. I know this question is gonna come up, so let me get it out the way right now. Yes, I twist the hair individually while I twist them around each other, and I do this to make my hair look longer and for my twist to stay and not unravel. Do you guys see the length of my hair? Yeah, for real, I am appreciating this so much right now. I'm gonna go ahead and do a few more so you guys could see and understand exactly what I'm doing. Again, I take a small section out using my fingers, and even if I didn't have nails on, it will still work because the parting really doesn't have to look nice and neat because you're doing twist and it really doesn't matter. Just like before, I add the cream onto my hair and I rub it in, going from the root of my hair all the way down to the tip, making sure that I get it on good enough to moisturize every single strand of hair. Then I add the oil and rub it onto my hair, and when I was satisfied with the way it's feeling, I split the hair in two and then started my twist. Now I'm moving on up to the next row, and I haven't even finished the first row yet. And this is the great thing about not using a comb. You don't have to follow a straight line. You could just take a piece of hair out from anywhere and start twisting it. After this one, I'll finish the back of my hair off camera, and then I'll get back on when I get up to the front. The middle of my hair is definitely thicker than the back and the front of it. So by this time, I used up so much product that I already moved on to the next container that I show you guys in the beginning. The second cream that I'm using, it moisturizes my hair as good as the sheer moisture. So yeah, they could definitely get my coins because I'm gonna be buying some more of it. Look at the length here, you guys. I am just so amazed. I'm telling you guys, doing twists like this regular on your hair will definitely help your hair to grow. And every day I usually spray some water with leave-in conditioner on the roots to help keep it moisturized. When I do my box braids, I do the same. I spray water on the roots to moisturize it, but for some reason I always forget to mention that. But yeah, until I take them out, I keep the root moisturized, and that helps with boosting the growth process of my hair. And this style, you can leave it in your hair for 2 weeks or more. It all depends on how you take care of it while you're wearing it. And when you're going to bed, just put a bonnet on it. That's all I do. And I get up in the morning, shake it out, and I'm ready to go again. So with all the cream I used on my hair, it leave it looking white because it's still very wet at this point. So I would suggest, if you're gonna do this style, to do it overnight so your hair could dry and look, ready for the next day. Already I'm loving it, and it's not even dry yet. This is definitely one of my favorite things to do with my hair. So you guys wanted to know what it is that I'm using on my edges to make them grow back in, and I promise I'll tell you guys, so here it is. I have been using this product called Edge Natural Follicle Enhancer for natural edges, and let me tell you guys, this product right here is a game changer. I've been using it for only like a week and a half to a couple of weeks, and already I've been seeing results. I have tried so many other products on my edges before, and nothing seems to work until I tried this one that my girlfriend told me about. All I do is use my fingertip to apply it to my edges, and I sometimes do it once a day or twice. It all depends on how I feel or if I remember to use it. I usually use it at nighttime right before going to bed. This way I'll remember to use it because it's kind of like a nighttime routine for me. But it really shouldn't matter when you use it, just as long as you're using it daily and follow the instructions. Another thing I like to do is use my fingertips to massage my scalp a little bit just to stimulate it, and that also helps with my edges growing in. And this is what my hair looked like after it was dry. It definitely shrank now that it's dry, but it still has some length to it. I definitely love how juicy my twists look and how bouncy they are. This is one of the reasons why I love doing my hair like this. I sometimes put it all back into a ponytail or put half up, half down. I always do something with it because it's very versatile when I have it like this. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to leave them down in the comment box below. I will be checking them out and replying to them as soon as I can. I had so much fun making this video, especially since you guys have been requesting this hairstyle. It took me about 1 hour to do this hairstyle, and I usually keep this in for like 2 weeks just so I could enjoy it enough before taking them out. Please remember to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.